Hey everybody, we're out here at Cisco Live in Amsterdam, and I ran into Young in front of this guitar demo. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Can you give us some more information about what this is?
Absolutely, Jason. Yeah, we're demonstrating how Cisco and Splunk could provide factory of the future, providing AI infrastructure so that customers could easily adopt AI in their factory operations.
Yeah. And then what all's going on here? Is it looking for defects? Is it tuning, or what's this actually doing?
Yeah, there's a few types of workload that's running on this infrastructure. On top of unified UCS infrastructure, that's where Splunk is running.
Mhm.
We have a number of AI workloads that are running on top of that. One is automation of entire operation here, as well as we have computer vision, as you see there. It's taking photos of the guitars as it moves around the assembly line, as well as we have a predictive maintenance on the other side, predicting if machines about to fail, monitoring for any anomalies related to the operational health of the robot that's in operation.
So in this rig, you have UCS, and Splunk is running on UCS, and you have Vision over here looking for defects
Yes.
and some predictive maintenance on the other side of the rig. How does this all get into Splunk?
That's a great question. So in a single UCS server, we have everything running in the single unit, starting with virtual PLC, which controls all the automation process that's going on here.
Mhm.
Where Splunk is connected to those PLCs to pull real-time data. And also, as those computer vision applications are running also on the UCS, we are processing all the results out of that computer vision with the image all together into a single event to process all the real-time dashboard and alerting for any quality-related issues from the factory.
Yeah. And like normally in a data center, we're sending Splunk data with, I don't know, forwarders or HTTP event collectors. How are we getting the data from this rig, the actual data, into the Splunk platform?
Yeah, it's through the network. Like you said, all this infrastructure that's supporting this AI and servers, right?
Mhm.
They're all coming through Splunk through either HEC or various industrial protocols.
Mhm.
And we connect to those to pull all this real-time metrics and events and alerts so that the customers could see IT and OT in a single pane of glass, which is critical for many of the manufacturing operations.
And that's really, really awesome use case, something really outside the box here for Splunk.
Absolutely.
And if I want to go learn more about a use case like this or OT and Splunk, where would I go learn more?
Visit Splunk.com and reach out to sales reps that are supporting various manufacturing accounts.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for your time today.
Great.